So in the previous video, we have seen what are all the math algorithms we will be dealing with. In this video, we will see how to find factorial of a number. So we know that factorial of 1 is 1, and to find the factorial of 2, you have to multiply 2 by 1, and factorial of 3 is 3 into 2 into 1, and factorial of 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So we see a pattern here. To find a factorial of number, we have to multiply that number and its previous number and its previous number until 1. So we have the formula here. Factorial of a number n is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on into 3 into 2 into 1. So let us code it and see. So before going into coding, let us see what are all the options we have. So I'll be coding in GitHub code spaces. I will show it to you in a while. You can either use code space or Replit, StackBlitz, Code Sandbox, or JS Fiddle, or CodePen, or even your local VS Code for that matter. So this is the home page of GitHub code space. I'll drop a link in the description below so you can open it. So there are different plans for individual members. You will get 60 hours of free usage. So this should be more than enough for your coding purpose. So I'll click on the link here, get started for free. I hope you already have a GitHub account. If not, please do create one. And here there are various options to choose from. So I'll choose the blank option. So you can choose Express also, but the problem is Express uses some more resources, so you will get only 30 hours per month with the Express. So let us choose a blank template and we will build the project from here. So wait for that to load up. So what I'll do is I'll run the command npm init -y. What this will do is initialize an empty npm project, and I'll create a file called index.js here, and I will install the package called nodemon globally. So this will be used for running the index.js file, and nodemon will help us in restarting the server whenever there is a change. So I can run as nodemon. This will run node index.js. So the server has started. I can confirm that by running console.clear, and I'll save it. As soon as I save it, you can see the server has restarted. I can log something to the console. So as you can see, hello is printed in the console. So this is how you can set up GitHub code spaces. So what I'll do is I'll move this terminal to the right side and just place it here, and I'll close this since I don't need this. So now let us write a factorial of a number. So I'll write a function factorial which will accept n, that is a number for which we need to find the factorial as input. So we know the formula to find the factorial of a number. So starting from n, we need to loop until 1 and multiply it to find the factorial. So I'll declare the variable factorial and initialize it to 1. So I'll write a for loop and loop from 1 to n, including n, and I will multiply f with I. And finally, I'll return the factorial. So I can call the function and see if this works fine. Factorial of, let us say, 2. So we have declared f as a constant, so we need to make it as a variable. So let me make it as let. And as you can see, the factorial of 2 is 2 and factorial of 3 is 6. So let me try few more. Factorial of 4 is 24. So the program is working fine. So the complexity of this is we are using one loop here which is of size n. So we have a complexity of big of n. In the next video, we will see how to implement the Fibonacci series. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.